Hello there. Welcome back to Ebm N4. In this video, we want to look at a question from question paper of June 2023, and this is question 3 on that question paper. So, with question 3, we are given a scenario that we are given there, and then we want to answer a few questions that follow according to the scenario. So, the scenario reads: CK runs a bookshop called Rose Bookshop in a busy shopping center. There are three slow-moving products at the shop, and she wonders how she can change these products into cash. The three products are closer, storybooks, and novels and church. Uh, Novels and church times. Then the next sentence reads the cost price of the closer storybooks, novels, and church times amount to 50 rand, 75 rand, and 35 rand respectively. She sells the closer storybooks for 75 rands, the novels for 90 rands, and the church times for 50 rand. The closer storybooks, novels, and church times amount to 45%, 35%, and 20% of total sales respectively. The fixed cost and variable cost per month amount to 1,500 rands and 400 rands respectively. So this is the scenario that we are given. So you can as well read it over like 3 times so that you understand what it is explaining. So we've got questions that are following after that, but the question that we are going to concentrate on according to this video, we are only going to look at question 3.2 and also question 3.3. So let's look at 3.2. 3.2 reads: refer to the scenario and explain how you would turn such a slow moving stock into cash. So this question has got 8 marks and requires us to raise 4 points, each point having two marks. So what is key in this question, that is 3.2, is that we are going to address the issue of slow moving stock. So what do we mean by slow moving stock? We mean that the turnover of stock is very, very low. In other words, we are saying the products are being sold at a slow rate. So this is what we have. So the question is asking us to raise uh, any points that will make the situation of a slow moving stock better. So if you go to our answer section, you'll see that we've got points that are raised there according to 3.2. The first point that we can use so that we can improve the position of a slow moving stock scenario is that we might employ a smart pricing strategy. Smart pricing strategy, meaning we are supposed to reduce the price so that it becomes attractive to customers or consumers, and they come and buy our product. And then with that way, we have reduced the issue of slow moving stock, and stock start moving as consumers come and buy our products. So the next point that we have is effective marketing. In this way, we are just making sure that customers or consumers are aware of our products, because when customers or consumers are aware of our products, that's the only way that they can come and buy our product, and then we can now improve our situation of slow moving stock, and our stock become now to be bought at a faster rate. So this is what we have on the second point, which is effective marketing. Then the third point that we are having is quantity discounts or volumes purchased. That is, we are giving discounts in the form of cash discounts or even trade discount, so that when these customers are attracted to come and buy more, and then our stock starts moving at a faster rate. Then lastly, we've got adjust display stands to attract to customers. Remember, this is a scenario that we are given is explaining about the selling of books, which means these books are being put on stands. So if you go through the scenario, you'll see that we are having a situation of selling of books. So the adjustments in terms of the sales that we are going to put those books can also attract customers and they come and buy. So the last point is really adjust display stands to attract customers. So this is what we have in terms of 3.2. Then you can move on to 3.3 to see what does it say. So if you go to the question 3.2, it reads: which 5 strategies would you suggest to CC to use when introducing a new product or service to an existing market? So what this question is basically asking is asking for strategies that can be employed when we are launching a new product in a market. In existing market is a market that has been there and that we want to penetrate. So what strategies can you employ? So if you look at the allocation of marks there, you would see that we need to raise 5 points, each one with 2 marks, and then total marks are we have got 10 marks. So we can raise 5 points there. So a strategies that we can employ so that we can introduce our products into an existing markets. We have got points that are raised again according to 3.3. We have first one is trying to promote the product to the consumer. This is basically clear because when we are introducing new products, we should make sure that the consumers or the customers are aware that we are selling that product so that they can come and buy. Remember, this is a new product. They are not yet aware of that product, so it's very important so that we can make them aware. So the issue of promotion is just penetrating into the market and making the consumers or customers aware of our product. Then I'll go to the next one, which is reading. Make the packaging attractive to the consumer. This is just the outer layer or the outer cover of the product that attracts the customer. So in this way, we are saying the packaging should be attractive. Let's not put a dull packaging that chases customers away. Let's just make our packaging very attractive. So this is the second point. Then third point is competitive pricing. Competitive pricing means we are pricing a product in relation to what competitors are setting their prices. In other words, we are making sure that the position that we are putting our prices is uh, uh, is making our product being attractive to our customers. In other words, again, we are saying that the pricing is going to be a little bit lower so that it attracts the customers. Remember, according to the law of demand, if price is reduced, we are going to see quantity demanded going up. We are having an inverse or negative relationship that is there between the variables of price and quantity demanded. So competitive pricing basically is the reduction of prices in relation to what competitors are charging. So this is what we have on the third point. Next point, we've got know your target market. Obviously, you need to know your target market so that you can be able to see how are you going to penetrate that market. So this is very simple. Target market, we are saying these are the consumers that are going to buy or purchase our product. So this is what we have. Then the last one is apply good timing. Good timing is also important because if you make bad timing, it means the time that you are going to introduce your product, maybe the demand of that product will be very low, and this is going to act negatively in your favor. So it's very important so that whenever you're introducing your product, you make sure that this is the period that demand for that product is very high. So this is the last point that we have in terms of applying good timing. This is what we have, guys, in terms of this video. Let's stay tuned for more videos as we prepare for exams. As for this video, I'm signing out.